Travel in comfort, camp with ease with the MY26 Ceduna Mk3 Quad. This hard-roofed hybrid now has more off-grid features for families that want to get away more often, stay longer, and enjoy the journey just as much as the destination. From the outside, the upgrades are easy to spot. The new flat double-glazed windows not only give the van a sleek modern look, they also improve insulation and privacy. Setup is quick and stress-free thanks to the massive electric awning. Also comes as standard with an easy light, fully enclosed awning room, giving you huge outdoor living space in minutes. Around the outside, everything is designed to make camping easier. There's a drawbar tap, bug repellent lights, and a full external stainless steel slide-out kitchen with an external pantry right where you need it. There's also a fridge slide with storage compartments and the option of a 78-litre My Coolman fridge. And for long trips, there's plenty of storage around the van with a huge toolbox, pole storage, a generator box. There's even an external shower and ensuite tent, perfect after the beach or for the kids. Reversing and setting up is safer and easier with a reverse camera and front and rear LED light bars for low light conditions. When it comes to off-grid power, the Ceduna Mk3 Quad is ready to go. It runs three 235 amp-hour lithium batteries with two 40 amp MPPT solar controllers, a 30 amp DC to DC charger, and a massive 750 watts of rooftop solar, all controlled through the G2 projector touchscreen system. And a Starlink connection is standard, you're connected almost anywhere. Water capacity is generous with two 120-litre freshwater tanks and an 80-litre grey water tank, and a monitoring system which keeps things simple. Step inside and it feels like home. Full of comfort, you'll see huge bunks, both equipped with fans, reading lamps and charging points. The kitchen features an internal sink and a multi-burner stove. Internal storage space is everywhere. Overhead cupboards, drawers, a 24-inch smart TV with both internal and external mounts. Comfort is covered all year round with a My Coolman reverse cycle air conditioner and a 2 kilowatt diesel heater. A fully moulded internal ensuite with a great shower thanks to the Truma Ultra Rapid 14-litre hot water system. And when the day's done, the bunks located at the front and the plush king-size mattress at the rear ensures everyone gets a great night's sleep. Underneath the van is seriously tough. The F5 certified chassis and drawbar come with a lifetime warranty, and the van all sits on the proven Ezyrider V2 suspension system with pedal shocks for a smooth, confident tow. The MY26 Ezytrail Ceduna Mk3 Quad is all about quick setup, family comfort, and smart off-grid features, so you can enjoy longer stays away and great family adventures.
With Ezytrail, never rule out adventure.